Hey, this is Kirby with Electric Fossil Studio in Milford, Delaware. And for all of you guitar players out there, I wanted to end your search for your next guitar pickup. Stop looking. Just go get a Seymour Duncan JB. I'm going to play you some samples through a Epiphone 335 Dot, through a Marshall, and hear how it sounds like. It's glorious. It sounds amazing. It feels great when you play it. It's awesome. That's all you need. And I've tried them all. And I've resisted for 30 years. Just get a Seymour Duncan JB and stop messing around. Hope this helps.